generous to share their talent in front of all our audience today. And just to share, guys, I'm not sure if sino dito yung mga nanghanap, but C13 was a member before of the group and represented Philippines as well to the K-pop Cover Dance Festival in Korea. So, yeah, so we would like to ask some memories and experience that nadala mo, bring mo in terms of now having a P-pop group in the Philippines.
Actually, yung mga K-pop event dito sa Philippines, sobrang taas ng energy palagi. Yung first time namin sumali ng K-pop Cover Dance Festival way back 2015. And during that time, wala talaga kami next step. Parang sinabi namin sobrang laban ng champion kami that time kasi sobrang daming magagaling ng mga groups. But surprisingly, I will be representing the Philippines alongside Cypher. And yun, ang mas papayo ko lang sa inyo is all of us wants to win, right? Pero pinaka-importante talaga dapat is mag-enjoy kayo